Hello students, my name is Vinay, English teacher from Sri Siddhaganga Public School, Kodalsangam. I am sure all are happy and safe with your family. Students, today let us learn a poem, Now That I Can Read, and a lesson, Three Friends. So firstly, let me teach you a poetry. Now that I can read. So open your textbook. Page number 24. Now that I can read. Okay. Let me read the poem and explain. Students, I used to need somebody to sit and read to me. I would look at every page they read and listen carefully. But now that I am in the first grade, I am filling up a shelf with stories, poems and other books that I can read myself. Students, I used to need somebody. So, the boy is telling us that he wants someone to sit and read. To sit and read to me. So, that means he wants someone to help him to reading for him. I would look at every page they read. So he looks at every page they used to read and listen carefully because he is not knowing reading. He doesn't know reading. So students, when you were studying in LKG or UKG, did you do your homework without anybody's help? Have you read stories without anybody's help? So when you didn't know reading and writing, so somebody should sit with you and make you to read and write. Correct? No? So the same thing is happening here. There is a small boy, as you looking at this picture. So who doesn't know to read and write. So he is telling that I need somebody to read and write. So somebody should help him to read. Okay. Let me go to the next stanza. But now that I am in the first grade. See, in the second stanza, the boy grown up and he is studying now first grade. He is studying in first standard. So in which class is he now? He is now first grade. So you people also now studying in first grade. Correct? No? So he is in first grade. I am filling up a shelf. Now he is filling up shelf. Shelf means the place where you keep all books. Okay. With stories, poems and other books. So what is he doing now? He has a lot of books with stories, poems and other books that I can read myself. Now he can read all these books himself. Like stories, poems and other books, he can read himself. Now the boy is able to read on his own. Why? Because he is in first grade now. Okay. Next, let me switch on the next slide. Now let me teach you a lesson, Three Friends. So before starting this lesson, all of you open your textbook, page number 32. All of you look at your textbook. Students, do you have friends? Yes, all are having friends. When one of your friends forgets to bring lunch to the school, so what do? You share the lunch with your friend. So am I right? No. So in this lesson, there are three friends. They are Nanu, the boy, Eli, the elephant, and Manu, the monkey. So they help each other. It is very interesting story about three friends. So now let me read and explain the story. Nanu and Eli are friends. They go to a pond. They play with water. Then hear someone cry, help, help. So students, listen and watch carefully. Nanu is the boy. His name is Nanu. And Eli is the elephant. So both of them, Nanu and Eli, live in the forest with his father and mother. So Nanu lives with his father and mother in the forest. Okay. Elephant is the friend of Nanu. They are close friends. Whatever they do, they will do together. They play together, they eat together, they roam together. So one day what happens? Nanu and Eli go to pond. So pond means a small pool of water on the ground. So and they play with water in the pond. So as you looking here, the Nanu and elephant Eli, they are playing in the pond. Correct, no? And they play with water in the pond. As they play with water in the ground, they hear a sound. Someone is crying and saying, help, help, help. Okay. Nanu climbs a tree. He sees a small monkey on top of a big tree. The small monkey is sad. He can't get down. So, then Nanu climbs the tree where the sound is coming from. And he sees a small monkey on top of a big tree. The small monkey is very sad and frightened. Frightened means afraid. Okay, fear. So, do you know, children, why the small monkey is sad? Because he cannot get down from the big tree. So, he is sad and afraid. Okay. Eli tells Nanu to help the monkey. Nanu says, yes, I can. Nanu swings from one branch to another branch. So, Eli chases the small monkey and tells to Nanu to help the monkey to get down from the tree. Nanu says, yes, I can. And he swings from one branch to another branch. He reaches the small monkey. He tells him to climb on his back. The small monkey climbs on his back. So Nanu swings from one branch to another branch and reaches the small monkey where the monkey is sitting on the top of the big tree. So where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? The monkey is on top of the big tree, and Nanu tells the monkey to climb on his back. So the small monkey climbs up on his back, on the Nanu's back. Nanu again swings from one branch to another branch. So Nanu again swings from one branch to another branch, and he gets down from the big tree. He came down. He reaches Eli. Eli is happy to see the small monkey. Nanu is happy. The small monkey is happy too. So Nanu reaches Eli. Eli is happy to see the small monkey and Nanu. And Nanu also happy. The monkey is happy too. So why is he happy? Because the monkey, Nanu helps the small monkey to get down from the big tree. Correct, no? Now, Nanu and Eli have one more friend. His name is Manu. So, Nanu and Eli have one more friend. His name is Manu. So, before they were two. So, before they were two, Nanu and Eli. Now, they became three friends. Say, Eli and Nanu got one more friend. His name is Manu. So, what is the name of the small monkey? The small monkey's name is Manu. So, where is he? He is here. Okay. So, students, what did we learn from this story? Do you know? Friend in need is a friend needy indeed. Thank you.